I greet everyone. The analytical service is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the corporation. If necessary, you can pause it. You can carefully consider all the indicators of the corporation in question. Now let's look at the company's current fundamental indicators. Grupo Financiero Galicia ADR, ticker GGAL. This review was created using information as of September 1st, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Grupo Financiero Galicia belongs to the subcategory Bank Classic. 30 companies are taking part in the analysis. See the final solutions at the end of this video. The result for the company under study is as follows, 4.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, minus 0.1 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire US market as a whole, we see that the average score for the market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's 4.5 rating Grupo Financiero Galicia ADR. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Grupo Financiero Galicia ADR and subcategory shares, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares Grupo Financiero Galicia showed a change of 12.4%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 24.4%. Market capitalization of the company Grupo Financiero Galicia ADR amounts to $5.21 billion. With a market capitalization of $818 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $4.8 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $291 billion. Comparing the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Grupo Financiero Galicia ADR in the subcategory when assessing the stock market value is 0.636%. Book value capitalization is 1.647%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $1.584 billion. Debt to book value is 33% of equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, good, 1 point. The company's market value to profit ratio is 4.6. With an average for the subcategory of 21.9. Price to earnings ratio score compared to companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $1,120 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $955 million. Assessment of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.5. Average for the subcategory is 3.1. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $9,870 million. The forecast revenue for the next 12 months is preliminary $8.42 billion. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The marginality is 11.4%, with an average in the subcategory of 14.1%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0%. This is less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $0,000. And for the subcategory $1,235,000. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, Talit, minus 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $0,000. Subcategory average, $56,400. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The sales volume per employee of the organization is $0,000. In the subcategory, $400,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions was 3.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.1%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 24% for the company Grupo Financiero Galicia. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 41%. The company's actual share price is approximately $39.27. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $79.02. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made in a given season by the information and reference system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's shares Grupo Financiero Galicia. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a trade for growth at a price of $39.28. The deal is open because the company has a fairly good valuation and price trend. The company's assessment was carried out based on the assessment method, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 48.65. Stop loss is set at 29.91. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on October 1st, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, ARRY, will become a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system, Guru.Markets.